Hi! Today we are going to make tuna and then cabbage French Baguette sandwich. So I'm not sure this is really Japanese food or not, but my late mother used to make this sandwich when I was little, and it was one of my favorite sandwich. So we make a little bit unique way and quite nice. So let's get started. Hi! Have a look like this. Quite pretty, isn't it? Okay, いただきます。Ooh. Tasty, nice. It's actually just tuna, cabbage, mayonnaise, bit of onion, and French baguette, but really nice and looks pretty. I recommend you can make this one to bring your picnic really good or party. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.